After that, what you need to do, you need to log into your Salesforce arc. Normally you go and log into your Salesforce arc. Okay. After that, what you will do, you will type this command. Okay. sfdx space force colon auth colon web colon login. Just type this and enter. It will again redirect you to a login page. There you log in to Salesforce. After you log in, then we are here. Okay. Your login is successful. You will see successfully authorized Salesforce, salesforcetraining.com with org ID. So in this way, you will get green color, this one. It means you were successfully, you were able to log in. All of you, I want everyone to be with the same pace. If you are stuck anywhere, please make sure you complete till this point. Done? Online, anyone? Tarun, Harsha Reddy, Jay Prakash, Shivu, anyone facing any issue, or you are able to come to till this point? Please confirm. If you are able to come till this point, fine. Otherwise, first resolve that problem. Otherwise, you cannot do anything. Okay. Because this is a basic setup that is needed to write the code. So previously we have written Apex code, we have written Visual Force Page code. All this code we have written directly in the developer console. What is developer console? Developer console is an IDE. IDE means what? Integrated Development Environment. So the default IDE provided by Salesforce is developer console. But if you want to create lightning web components directly, you cannot do that in the developer console. You need to have this setup. So what is the meaning of this setup? First of all, if you want to write a C program, first you need to install C software in your system, then only you can write C program, right? Similarly, Salesforce CLI. CLI means command line interface. Salesforce CLI you need to install in your system. That is the first step. Second step, you need to have the Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay. If you don't have CLI, only if you have Microsoft Visual Studio, you cannot. If you have only CLI but no Visual Studio, then also you cannot. So you should have these two in this order only. First you need to install Salesforce CLI, then you need to install the Microsoft Visual Studio. These are the two things that we need. After that, we need to do this setup. Okay. So this code you need to remember: sfdx space force colon auth colon web colon login. Okay. Tell along with me: sfdx space sfdx space force colon auth colon web colon login. Okay. With this command, what we are able to do, once if you type that command and click enter, automatically it will redirect to your default browser. For me, Google Chrome is the default browser. In your system, what is the default browser? To that browser, it will directly redirect you to the Salesforce login page. Okay. So there, what I need to do, there I need to give my Salesforce username and password. After I give my Salesforce username and password, it will log in and authentication successful message will come. That's it. Then you manually need to come again to the, what is the screen which you are seeing? Microsoft Visual Studio. They, now you will see this green color message: successfully authorized Salesforce username you will get with org ID. This is the org ID of the org to which you logged in. Okay. So in this way, I am able to log in. So is this process clear till this point? Already the code, everything that is needed to integrate this Visual Studio Code and Salesforce, all those are already present. See, Visual Studio you can use Visual Studio you can use to write Java code also, to write JavaScript code also, to write different coding languages code. Here what I am trying to do, I am trying to use Visual Studio Code, VS Code, to write Salesforce related coding. So that is the reason first I have installed the Salesforce extension pack. After installing the extension pack, I am writing this command, it is working. If you don't have the extension pack, Salesforce extension pack, then if you give this command, it will not understand what is SFTX. You're getting my point? So, first of all, what you are doing, Salesforce related CLI you downloaded and installed it. So now what happens, as soon as you install the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, already it will try to refer the information that is already present in the Salesforce CLI. That is first thing. Second thing is, on top of this one, you are installing the extension related to Salesforce. That is the reason, just by typing one command, you are able to connect this Microsoft Visual Studio Code to your Salesforce org. Is this clear till this point? Shivu, is clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now tell me the points what we need to do till from the beginning. First step, what we need to do? Tell me. Install Salesforce CLI. First we need to do. Next step. Install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Second step. Okay. Third step. In the Visual Studio Code, go to extensions, extension symbol, this one. See, this is the extension symbol. Click on this extension symbol, type Salesforce extension pack. See, once if you include Salesforce extension pack, all the Salesforce related information packages are there. Extension pack, nine sub packages are there. Otherwise, you need to install one by one. Here, everything is included in this one, Salesforce extension pack. So that's why I am suggesting you to use the Salesforce extension pack. Once you install the Salesforce extension pack, then the next point is we need to create a folder and then create a project and then select the option standard and then SFDX space force colon auth colon web colon login. Okay. Once if you do all these things, then it will redirect you to the Salesforce login page. In that, you will give your username and password. Then it will give you authentication successful. Once after seeing that message, then what you need to do? Then so you will see this successfully authorized. Clear till this point? Do it in your system. Be ready till this point. All of you ready till this point? Open your systems and do it. Till this point, you should be ready. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చారా? నువ్వు ఓకే. ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చావా? ఎక్కడైనా మధ్యలో? ఓకే. I want everyone to be able to come to this point, follow these steps till this point, and you should be able to come to this point. No laptop there.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Guys, everybody completed till this point? Hmm? Please confirm me in the chat window. Everybody, if everybody completed this. Okay. So now, shall we shall we start from this? Everybody were able to connect your Salesforce app to this VS Code. In short, we call it as VS Code. Visual Studio Code. In short, we call it as VS Code. Dot SFDX space course colon auth colon web colon login. ఎంటర్ కొట్టాలి అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అదంతా ఇచ్చి ఎంటర్ కొట్టాలి వచ్చిందా డన్ అవలేదా అయింది అవలేదు చెప్పు నో యాక్సిడెంట్ ఓకే అయిపోయినట్టే కదా okay fine so after this what we need to do if see on the top terminal is there see on the top terminal is there see on the top see my screen not my face see screen on the top terminal is there click on the terminal click on new terminal so then you will get a new terminal okay to get a new terminal every time what you need to do go to terminal click on new terminal okay so in new terminal you can type this one is the sample it is showing. Don't focus this one. Our area is only this part. Okay, our area is only the last part. Only this part is our area. Here terminal is there, under that we are there. Okay, so now I want to go to a specific project. So first go to file, and here SFDC 730 is there. Okay, so if I want to create a project, then I will create a project. If already SFDC 730 is there and I want to use it, then change the project directory. So first of all, here what we need to do, SFDX course colon project colon create space hyphen n and give space my first LWC project. Like this, you can you can create a new project. Okay. If I click on enter, what happens? See, error, unexpected argument, n. Okay. As I already created my project, okay, let me do one thing. I will use my existing project. I already inside the SFD 730. Na? So directly I will try to create a lightning component SFDX space force colon lightning colon component colon create space two spaces hyphen n hyphen hello world. Okay. Okay. And where I want to create this. Okay. First, if I do this, uh, hyphen, sorry, space two spaces hyphen D space force hyphen app. See here, what we have subjects under that force hyphen app. Okay. Slash main slash main slash default slash LWC. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Ara hyphen LWC, I think it is expecting. Okay. For Lightning Web Component, actually, we need to. Hmm, okay. Directly, we can go to this LWC here. Inside LWC JSON, we have this. Go to the force. Hmm. పేరెంట్ ఫోల్డర్ ఆరా అని అడుగుతుంది. ఓకే. సో మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్. ఇవన్నీ పని చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అన్నీ ఎందుకు పని చేయలేదు? మనం చేసిన మిస్టేక్ ఏంటి అంటే ఓకే, అక్కడ ఎన్నకి స్పేస్ ఇవ్వకూడదు, మనం స్పేస్ ఇచ్చాం. ఓకే ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ అయింది ఎల్డబ్ల్యూసి. ఫస్ట్ మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఓకే, ఇదిగోండి చూడండి, మై ఫస్ట్ ఎల్డబ్ల్యూసి ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో మనకి ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. We have all these things under this project. Okay, so now what command I need to use is here the same command. Control C, Control V. Okay, LWC. Click. See what command I used: sfdx space 4 colon lightning colon component colon create two spaces hyphen n. N means new. The name of my component is hello world. Okay, two spaces hyphen d. D means directory. In which directory I want? I want this in this directory. Okay, click on enter.
Windows must have a parent folder name or their but all create or use the applications can
Okay, done. Aura hyphen LWC. If I give, it is done. But what it is creating? It is creating me an Aura component. Okay, so here force app inside this Aura.
No, sir. In Aura, LWC component.
LWC is there.
In Aura, sir. In Aura, see. First line. Okay. In Aura, LWC first.
Controller helper. This is our lightning component. I want LWC component, right? Hmm. Force space lightning, hello world 4 I am giving.
This thing requires learning.
So all commands, yesterday we have already used this one, right? So let me go to this. Some small mistake we are doing. Okay, under manifest package.xml, inside this we need to put under manifest manifest. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to file and on the top open folder. Mhm. Inside 730 we have 731. I don't want like this.
Here you can.
Documents, OneDrive. Restore a recent. Okay, SFDC 730. Let's take SFDC 730. Inside that SFDC X 730 we have. Okay, inside SFDC 730, I want to create a new folder SFDX 731. Okay, SFDX 730 I don't want. SFDX 731 I want. Let me open this. So I opened this fresh one. It does not have anything. what I need to do, go to terminal, new terminal, and the first command what I used. Okay. Here we need to pay authentication successful. Now let's go here. So after this, what we have done? Okay. Extensions. Already extensions are included. Authentication successful. Okay. Okay. Inside this, first we need to do this one, right? Type sftx here. sftx. What happened to the extensions? Because extension pack is there. That is fine. So we are here. Hmm. The query is my package.xml. Let it be. Okay. Authorization we have done. Manifest connection. Right click on the package.xml. Manifest, we should see manifest. Manifest, we are not able to figure out the manifest. Where is manifest? Force app. Inside Force app applications, Aura classes, experience layout, LWC, objects, permissions, static resources, tabs, triggers. Let's do it from the scratch again. Somewhere we missed something. Somewhere. Okay, installation is done. LWC Create. File, close folder. Yeah. File, open, Salesforce. Okay. In that, SFDC 731. A new folder I am creating. Okay. Inside this, open. SFDC 731 is my new folder. So here, SFDX. Create a project. Create a project using this command. Control Shift P. Control Shift P. Okay. SFDC create project. And in that I have chosen the standard. Okay. Enter project name. SFDX 731 is my project name. Okay. Here it is asking create project. Okay. I created the project. After creating the project, okay, create project with manifest. That is what the mistake. Okay. File, close folder, file, open folder, SFDX 732. Let me create SFDC 732. This is my new folder. Open. Inside this new folder, Control Shift P. This is my new project. New project. SFDX. Authorize an org. In that production. Okay. Authorize an org production. Okay. Then do your project name and enter. Shift Control P, authorize an org, production, then give SFDX123. Okay. Now here gmail.com into 3. Okay, authorization successful. Now go here. Okay, successfully authorized the org. Okay, SFDX123. Okay, fine. So now retrieve source. Okay, package.xml. Okay, now to test the connection, right click on the package.xml. Right click on the package.xml. SFDX retrieve source in manifest from org. యాపిల్లో రైట్ క్లిక్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందో ఈ సింబల్స్ చూసారా ఎంత వెరైటీ ఉన్నాయా? దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? All of you do till here. If you click on right click, for you right click will work. For me right click is not working. మౌస్ కాదు అసలు యాపిల్ కాయలలో రైట్ క్లిక్ కి వేరే మీనింగ్ ఉంటది. అవి కొడితే ఇందులోకి వస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం? ఓకే, అందులోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత retrieve source in manifest from org. As well, Lightning component bundle in package production, it will retrieve all the Lightning web components from the Salesforce org. Okay, LWC. Okay. If you don't do that also, that is fine. Again, we will go to this. Manifest is done. So now again, Control Shift P. SFDX create Lightning web component. Now hello world 5. This is the name of my web component. Choose the directory. This is the directory I am choosing. See, This is the directory, force app main default LWC. This is the directory I'm choosing. So now what happened? See, finally we were able to do this. Finally, we were able to do this, man. We were able to create a Lightning Web component. Okay, I will repeat it again. Okay. Let me close everything.
Yeah.
See, focus here, focus here. I will repeat from the beginning again. Okay. I'll repeat from the beginning again. Let me close this folder. Okay. File, open folder. Okay. My laptop name itself is Salesforce. Okay. So that's why your laptop name, inside your laptop application, desktop, documents, everything will be there, right? So these are the, from here I cannot delete, that's fine. Okay. Okay, inside my laptop, I am creating a new folder. The name of my folder is SFDC 733. Okay. This is a new folder I am creating in my desktop. You know how to create a folder in your desktop, right? Just create a folder in your desktop, but not from outside. From VS Code, I am creating a folder. Okay. And then inside 733, I am opening. So now I am opening a folder from here. If you already create a folder outside, then also you can open that folder from here directly. Just click on open. Okay. Fine. Till this point clear, everyone? Till this point clear? Now shift control P. Okay. Now what I am trying to do, SFDX create project with manifest. Click on this one. It will ask standard empty analytics. Select standard. Give the project name. My project name, I want to give it as SFDX 733. This is the name of the project inside the folder SFDC 733. SFDC is my folder name. SFDX is my project name. Click on enter. Now again, it is asking create project. Yes. Click on create project. Now this project got created and all these folders came. Clear? Clear till this point? Now what I need to do? Shift control P. Okay. Authorize an org. Okay. SFDX authorize an org. First listen, later you can write. First focus. Authorize an org. Click on this. Again it will ask production sandbox custom. As we are using developer edition, I am using production. In your office, you need to choose sandbox. Click here, I am choosing production. Give some name. I want to give SFDX sample. SFDX sample 733. Something I have given. Okay. That can be your alias. It means using that alias, we will refer to this arg. Fine. So now it is asking me to type the username and password. Salesforce training @gmail.com. My password sales@123. Okay. Now I am logging in. It will say authorization successful. Now we will go back to this. Here we will see the successfully authorized. Now shift control P. Now this time what I am trying to do, okay, create lightning web component. Give the name of the component. Hello world 1. Okay, click on enter. It is asking force app main default. Do you want to create it in this folder or some other folder? This folder only. So I'm just clicking here. So now what happened? hello world 1 HTML, hello world 1 JS, hello world 1 meta. So these three files got created. It means we are successfully able to create a Lightning Web Component. Okay, these three are coming means we are able to create a Lightning Web Component. So in this way, we are able to create the Lightning Web Component. Till this point, you do. Okay. What to write the code inside this one, we will discuss tomorrow. See here, template. Inside nothing is there. Na? So tomorrow, we will write the code inside that. Is this clear or you want me to repeat it again? Let me repeat it again one more time. Okay. File, close folder. Okay. Once you open the Visual Studio, it will come like this. Go to file, okay, open folder, okay. Here you click on new folder or you can use existing folder. I want to create a new folder, so that's why SFDC 734, okay, the new folder I created. Okay, after creating the new folder, what I'm trying to do, open this folder. So now I am inside this SFDC 734 folder. Clear till this point? Now Control Shift P. Only one command you remember, Control Shift P. That's it. Remaining all those things you don't need to remember, it will come here only. So here SFDX create project with manifest. If it is not coming here, then you type SFDX colon create, then it will come. Okay. Create project with manifest. You select that. After you select that, it will ask standard empty analytics. Select the standard. After that, it will ask for project name. I will give my project name as SFDX 734. You can give anything. Okay. Enter. So now it is asking, yes, create project. So now SFDX 734 is the project that got created. Okay, fine. Project got created. After creating project, what I am trying to do? Tell me. Control Shift P. Authorize an org. Authorize an org. Yes or no?
You can redirect to the
Authorize an org. Production. Give some name.
hello world.
SFDX sample 2. Okay. Something sample 1, sample 2 you can give. Then it will redirect. You need to enter the Salesforce. Done. Okay. Once this is done, authorization successful, you will see here. Okay, authorization successful. Go here. Successfully authorized. Control Shift P. Now tell me what I need to do. Create Salesforce Lightning Web Component. Give the name of the component that you want to create. Click on enter. Choose the folder. That's it. Okay. Under LWC, your Hello World 2 is getting created. HTML, JS, Meta, all the files you will see here. So this is how you will create a Lightning Web Component using the Visual Studio Code. Till this point, it is clear. What code we will write inside, we will see tomorrow. Clear now? Okay. I'll do one thing. This link also, I will put it in the chat window.